good evening. We are so glad you could join us today. At Fiinanced, we are absolutely dedicated to promote financial awareness throughout India, especially to our youngers who are the future of our country. With our amazing all-in-one course, you will be able to learn how to trade the Indian market, forex market and the crypto market from the very basics with the help of live classes. With our Finance Plus assistance, you will receive trading ideas daily. You won't have to do any work. And along with our high win rate and high risk reward ratio and highly consistent Finance Plus strategies and indicator, you will be able to make money from the stock market like no way you have imagined before. And welcome to the first ever Finance 222 trading webinar. On the first day of this 2-day webinar, we will be discussing 2 professional trading concepts that will either begin your trading journey with a robust rock solid foundation or will take your pre-existent idea to another dimension, to a whole new level. And on the second day, we will be discussing 2 profitable trading strategies that will multiply your existing profit at least by 2 to 3 times. So guys, stay focused, stay sharp, pay attention. And the webinar starts in 3, 2, 1.
Are you guys ready to begin your stock market trading journey? Please unmute yourself and say yes.
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 Louder,
Yes.
guys, louder.
Yes.
Yes.
Are you guys ready to learn trading so that your life will move on to the next phase? Come on, guys, say yes.
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 Excellent. Great. My name is Arghadeep and this is a 2-day webinar. Okay, on the first day, we will be discussing 2 professional trading concepts. And on the second day, that is tomorrow, we will be discussing 2 profitable day trading strategies. So before beginning, I have seen a lot of you guys will begin your stock market journey absolutely right today. So, and many of you already know the things I am going to say, but those who don't know, it's for them. So guys who already know, please bear me for 5 minutes. I will just share the basics. All right, let me share my screen. Okay, so a quick recap on. So आप लोग हमेशा देखते हैं कि सेंसेक्स इतना बड़ा, सेंसेक्स इतना गिरा, निफ्टी इंक्रीज बाय सो मच, निफ्टी डिक्रीज बाय सो मच. So what is Sensex and Nifty? Sensex and Nifty are basically stock market index. Nifty 50 is comprised of the highest weighted 50 stocks in the Indian stock market, and Sensex is comprised of the most weighted 30 stocks in the Indian stock market. And now comes National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, NSE and BSE. So you guys have, so what is a stock exchange? A stock exchange is that place jahan pe the exchange of stocks happens. Suppose I bought 5 stocks and I sold you 5 stocks. So it does not mean that I am creating those 5 stocks. Someone is selling that 5 stocks and I am taking them and I am selling it to you guys. So stock exchange is a place where that exchange of stocks between owner happens. Now the next part is long and short, going long and going short. All right. So long means you buy a stock at a cheaper price and sell it at a higher price. महंगे में बेच दो. And going short means you sell at a higher price and then buy at a lower price next. So see, this is a short webinar. I won't be go deep into what is short selling. मैं बहुत ही जल्दी इस week में I will upload a YouTube video or an Instagram reel. So make sure you follow Finance so that you guys can understand what is short selling. For those of you who don't know. And now there are 3 types of trading: intraday trading, swing or positional trading, and investing. Trading basically means buying a stock and selling it. So intraday trading basically means intraday or day trading का मतलब ये है कि you buy the stock within 1 day and sell it within that day itself. Indian stock market opens at 9:15 a.m. and closes at 3:30 p.m. So intraday traders buy the stock after 9:15 a.m. and sell it before 3:30. That is day trading. Now swing and positional trading. Swing trading is where you buy a stock today. Suppose आज मैंने खरीद लिया लेकिन मैं आज नहीं बेचूंगा. I might hold it till tomorrow, maybe 3 days, maybe 4 days, maybe 1 week. That is called swing trading. I can hold it as long as I want. And investing, what is investing? Investing is absolutely trading. देखिए, what is trading? Trading is basically buying and selling. Investing में आप क्या करते हैं? Investing is just trading only. Investing, you buy it at a cheaper price and sell it at a higher price. So investing is absolutely trading. But since investing is over 6 months or 1 year, time period is much longer. That's why we call it investing, not normal trading. So guys, this is it. And now to trade, remember one thing, to trade, you have to know, आपको पता रहना चाहिए कि how to read the price of the stock in which you will be trading. So for doing that, to understanding the price of the stock in which you will be trading, there are two ways: technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Investors, okay, long-term traders who will be holding, suppose aaj kharide and they will hold it for like 6 months, 1 year, 3 months, they follow fundamental analysis because they should know कि कौन सा quarter में कितना profit हुआ, company का financials कैसा है, who is the market promoter, etc, etc, etc. But for us day traders, जो maximum of us day traders, we buy the stock and sell it today, sir, or maybe we hold it for 1, 2 or 3 days, couple of weeks maybe. For us, fundamental analysis is not that relevant. It's not important. Technical analysis is most important. And as a day trader, you have to master technical analysis if you want to make profit, if you want to make money from the market in the long term. So for technical analysis, you need to know how to read the price chart of any stock. The price chart where the chart is there and those weird looking green and red boxes. Okay. So let me share the screen so you guys can see. Okay, so guys, this is a price chart. And this weird looking boxes, see green, stick, red, these are called candlestick. And candlestick is the most important thing you should know in order to become a profitable trader. Suppose you are making a 3-story building. You have to make the foundation that much strong so that the ground can support the 3-story building. Same as that. If you want to make money from the stock market, you have to master candlestick. You have to master candlestick. Okay, guys, 1 minute, one thing. If you have any question, if you have any question, I will answer every one of them. But please allow me to explain. Okay, wait, I am sure that I will give me time to explain and I will answer most of your questions. But if you guys still have any questions after today's session, you guys can ask me any type of question regarding today's session. Absolutely live F&A, live Q&A. You ask me then. Okay, so don't mind, but if I break the flow here, maza nahi aayega. Please allow me to explain. So these are candlesticks. Now, to become a profitable trader, you need to know how to read a candlestick. This you see, this is a green candle. This is a red candle. There are two opposite psychology working behind it. So you need to know how to read them so that you can enter properly. And most importantly, you have to understand the psychology of each and every candle. Sir, like candle ka numbers pata chal ke aapko, you cannot earn money. You have to understand the psychology. Trading mein psychology samajhna, the psychology of the seller, the psychology of your opponent trader, sentiment of the market. That is the most important thing in trading. Trust me. If you are good with numbers, you cannot become profitable if you are not good enough to understand the psychology. Psychology is the most important thing. Now, so let's start on how to read a candlestick. Give me 1 minute, guys. I'll share my iPad screen. So guys, if you can see my iPad screen, please say yes so that I can continue.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Are you excited? Am I boring you?
No.
Thank you. Thank you for trusting me. Thoda bahut bharosa rakhe mere upar. Okay, so now, candlestick. Now, a candlestick has two parts, a body and a wick. First, we go absolutely from the basic. Okay, a candlestick has two parts, body and wick. Suppose, see, this is a candlestick. Okay, this is a candlestick. We call this part as the body of the candlestick, body. And these two parts, we call it as the wicks of the candlestick. So the candlestick has two parts, a body and the wick. Look at this example. This is the body and this is the wick of the candle. Now, you guys know there are two parts of the candlestick, wick and body. Now, let's move on. How to read a candlestick? ये जो wick है, इसको कैसे read करें? ये जो body है, how to read that? How to figure out? So for doing that, you need to know there are 4 metrics of measuring for measuring a candlestick: open, high, low and close. Or in other words, OHLC. Up trading you may dekhoge, there is OHLC. So it basically stands for open, high, low, close. Open is where the candlestick starts. Open is the price where the candlestick starts. Suppose 400 rupees mein hai. So the candlestick starts at rupees 400. So 400 is the opening price of the candlestick. High is the maximum point that particular candlestick reaches. Suppose in that time frame, the candlestick rose till 405. So high at that instant, the high of that particular candlestick is rupees 405. Low is the lowest price point the candlestick reaches. A candlestick niche gaya, upar gaya. So low is the lowest price point the candlestick reaches. And close is where finally the candlestick closes. Close is the closing price point where the candlestick finally closes. Okay. Now, so what is OHLC? Let's look at this. Suppose, let's look at this candle, for example. Okay, guys. So remember one thing. Now, मैं कुछ बात बोलूंगा. You have to memorize it. एकदम, you have to crystal clear it. Open and close is always from the body of the candle. We will mark open and close always from the body of the candle. Always from the body. Open and close, always from the body of the candle. And high and low. If there is a wick, agar wick raha, so we will mark the high and low from the wick, otherwise from the body. But we will always mark open and close from the body. So in this particular candle, this is the open, this is the close, this is high, and this is low. And in this candle, now let's look at another example. In this candle, of course, you can see this is the highest point, this is high, this is the lowest point, this is low. But in this candle, this is not open, this is close, this is open. Why? Why is the difference? Why? Now come the second most important thing. When the closing price is greater than the opening price, when the closing price is greater than the opening price, इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब कि price ऊपर गया. Suppose candle open हुआ 400 rupees में और candle जाके close हुआ 405 rupees में. So what does that mean? That means in that time frame the price rose by 5 rupees. So when the closing price is greater than opening price, it is a positive candle. It is a positive candle or bullish candle, whatever you guys say. जब opening price closing price से नीचे होगा, it is a positive candle or a bullish candle. When, and remember, when the opening price is greater than the closing price. When the opening price is greater than the closing price, it is a negative candle. Bear candle. इसका मतलब क्या है? Suppose the candle opened at 400 rupees, but that candle closed at rupees 395. So what does that mean? That means the stock fell down by 5 rupees. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Price नीचे गिरा. It's a red, it's bear. Negativity. So whenever the opening price is greater than closing price, it is a bear candle. And whenever the closing price is greater than the opening price, it is a bullish candle. Okay, guys? And remember, in this, we usually say red candle as a negative candle, bear candle, and green candle as a bullish candle. So whenever I will draw a green candle, it will mean that the closing price is greater than the opening price. जब भी मैं red candle draw करूंगा, उसका मतलब ये है कि opening price is greater than the closing price. As simple as that. Now let's look at a few more examples. Let's look at this. So in this particular example, first let's mark the high and low. It's easy. This is the low, and since I say high and low, we will be taking either from the body or from the wick. यहाँ पे see above no wick, so we will take high from here. Okay, high here, low here, done. Now comes the tricky part: open or close. It's a green candle, मतलब closing price is greater than opening price. इसका मतलब open के ऊपर close होगा, open के ऊपर close होगा. So this is open and this is close. See, simple. Now again, take a look at this. Same, low here, high here, simple. Now, red candle, red का मतलब क्या है? Closing price is below opening price. Closing open से नीचे है. This is close and this is open. अभी तक समझ में आ रहा है guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. चलो बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's look at a few more examples. This is high, this is low. Now you guys say, इसका open कहाँ पे होगा, इसका close कहाँ पे होगा?
Close ऊपर में, open नीचे.
बहुत बढ़िया, perfect. Now, suppose यहाँ पे. Now, see, I am telling you, जब आपको OHLC पता होगा, when you guys know what is OHLC, you don't need to look at a candle. You can make a candle yourself by looking at the data. You just need to know what is the OHLC. It is available in any chart. You can make the candle by yourself. You don't need to look at the candle. So OHLC. Okay. So let's take an example. Okay. So open, let's say open is at 10, high is at 13, low is at 8, and close is at 12. So see, I don't know what the candle looks like. I have no idea. All I know is the data. कि open यहाँ पे है, high यहाँ पे, low यहाँ पे, close यहाँ पे. So let's make the candle by reading the data. Open is at 10. Okay, here is the open. High is at 13. High 13. Low is at 8. Low 8. And low 8. And where is the close? The close is at 12. See? And the close is greater than open. So as simple as that. See, you don't need to look at the candle to make a candle. All you need to look at the data, and if you know how to make a candlestick, if whatever I told you, you guys can understand, you guys can also make a candle all by yourself. Now let's take another example. Let's say open is at 7, high is at 13, low is at 7, close is at 8. Okay. So let's make it. Open is at 7. High is at 13. Low is at 8. Low is at 7. Okay, low is at 7. And close is at 8. So again, close is greater than open. So it is a bullish candle. Let's take one more example. Open, let's say open is at 10. High is at 11. Low is at 7. And close is at 9. Okay. So where is the open? Open is at 10. High is at 11. यहाँ पे high है 11. Low is at 7. यहाँ पे low है. And close is at 8. Close is at 9. Close 9 पे है. See? And since in this particular example, close is lower than the open, it's a red candle, bear candle. समझ में आया guys? So let's move on. अब I will be asking you 3 questions. You guys answer them. बहुत मजा आएगा. So all you have to do, ठीक है? I will write the OHLC. All you have to do is to answer कि वो bullish candle है या फिर bearish candle है. Simple as that. You open your mic and say it's a bearish candle or it's a bullish candle.
Okay.
So open is at 8, high is at 10, low is at 6, close is at 10. So you
It's a
guys,
bullish candle.
बहुत बढ़िया, perfect, बहुत बढ़िया. Now the next question. Open is at 8. Okay. Open is at 8. High is at 9. Low is at 9 and close is at 8. Now you guys see what type of candle will it be? Will it be a bullish candle or a bearish candle?
Bearish.
Who said bearish?
Neutral.
Okay. Anyone with any other guess?
Neutral.
ক্যান্ডেলটা পসিবল না
Null, something like that.
Neutral candle.
যেখানে ক্লোজ 8 এ দিচ্ছে সেখানে লো কি করে 9 হবে
Perfect. Exactly.
मास्टर जी ये तो अदानी वाला कैंडल है। हेलो मास्टर जी, ये तो अदानी वाला कैंडल है।
ठीक है Perfect. See, simple. देखिए, let's simple. देखिए, low will always be at the lowest point. ठीक है ना? Low always at the lowest point. So here we can see that in this data, the lowest point is 8, not 9. Lowest point is 8. So obviously the low has to be at least 8 or lower than that. It cannot be 9. So this data is wrong. Okay, one more example. Let's say open is at 10, high is at 13, low is at 8, close is at 9. So what type of candle will it be?
Bullish candle.
Bullish.
This will be
bearish candle
open 10, close 9.
Oh, sorry, bearish. Sorry.
It's a bearish candle. So अभी तक समझ में आया सब कुछ? Clear हुआ?
Yes,
थोड़ा बहुत clear
yes.
हुआ? Guys, if you guys have any doubt, write it. Make a note of the question. We'll solve it at the Q&A section. Now, another very important fundamental. Okay. Suppose एक candle यहाँ पे खत्म हो. Okay. This candle यहाँ पे खत्म हो. So when will the next candle start? When will the next candle start? The next candle will not start here. The next candle will not start here. The next candle will always start beside this candle. A candle is always followed by another candle. A candle is always followed by another candle. Suppose ये candle यहाँ पे खत्म हुआ, तो next candle यहीं पे खत्म हुआ, यहीं से start होगा. Next candle यहाँ पे start नहीं होगा. It's not possible. In Indian market, there are gap up, gap down. Okay, gap up, gap down. Many of you might not understand, but this is on another topic. Can't cover in the webinar. Won't get time. It's a very broad topic. Okay. So due to gap up, gap down, क्या हो सकता है कि इधर it opened here, it opened here, but it will always open beside it. It cannot open here. A candle is always followed by another candle. Now, suppose ये एक candle है. Okay, this is a candle. Now, till now we have figured out that the next candle will always start beside it. So where will the next candle start? Will it start here? Will it start here? Will it start here? Where will the next candle start? कहाँ पे start होगा? There are so many places to start. कहाँ पे start होगा? Always remember, the closing price of the previous candle. Closing price of the previous candle is the opening price of the present candle. Closing price of the previous candle is the opening price of the present candle. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब, look at this example. This is our candle. So we know this is the low, this is the high. This is the high. It's a green candle. So the close will be above. This is the close and this is the open. OHLC we have figured. So what I said, the next candle will open at the closing price of the previous candle. So the next candle will open here. This will be the open of the next candle. Now it might go up or it might go down. समझ में आया guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay guys, अभी तक जो मैंने समझाया, if you guys have any doubt, ask me. If you have any doubt, जहां तक मैं समझाया, ask me.
Sir, just regarding the bearish and the bullish one.
Which one? थोड़ा tell a bit more specific.
Just regarding the bearish and the bullish one. Just brush it a little bit, sir.
Acha, regarding the bullish one, Shimam, jab closing price, when the closing price is greater than the opening price, the candle opened at 400 rupees and the closing price is at 405 rupees. That is a bullish candle. Okay, let me show you some live example. It will get clearer. Okay, now look at this. Let's take this candle for example. Okay. See, this candle opened here at 2590. This candle opened here at 2590 and it closed at 2630. It closed at 260. You move the candle. See here. Okay. जब मैं कर्सर को इस कैंडल के ऊपर ले जाऊंगा, you try to look here. Here is the OHLC data available. See, open is at 2590. Open is at 2590 and close is at 2630. See, this is a green candle. Price super guy. You guys can see price super guy and open is at 2590. Close is at 2630. So when the close and 2630 is greater than 2590, when the close is greater than the opening price, it is a bullish candle. Now let us look at an example of this one. Okay, perfect. This one. Yeah. So here is a red candle. So opening price is greater than the closing price. So opening price should be at around 2463 and closing price should be around 2414. So see, opening price is 2464 and closing price is 2413. So closing price is lesser than opening price. This is a bearish candle. Am I able to clear your problem?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Everyone, सबका concept clear हुआ?
Yes, clear.
Okay.
Yes, Master Ji.
Perfect. Okay. Now, okay, chalo. Let's move on, guys. I will again share my screen. Okay, now you guys can see my screen, right?
Yes.
There are three types of candle. Engulfing, hammer, and doji. Three types of candlesticks: engulfing, hammer, and doji. Engulfing means, so let's move on. Let's dive into the first type of candlestick, engulfing. Engulfing means power. Engulfing candle is the most powerful type of candlestick. Engulfing means power. So what does that engulfing candle looks like? Engulfing candle ऐसे दिखता है, full body. A candle with absolutely no wick is an engulfing candle. See, no wick. Up wick, ऊपर भी wick नहीं है, नीचे भी wick नहीं. A candle with no wick is called an engulfing candle. Now, in theory, see, theoretically, हम बता रहे हैं कि wick नहीं है, but in the real world there can be a wick like this. छोटा सा ऐसा wick है ऊपर, या फिर दोनों साइड में ऐसा wick है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. See, the proportion, you have to look at the proportion. Look at the proportion between the body and the wick. The body is massive, the wick is nothing. So we will consider this type of candle also as an engulfing candle. ठीक है ना? And when suppose यहाँ पे we will not consider this type of candle as an engulfing candle. यहाँ पे एक candle. Okay, this is a candle. This is the closing price. So when a candle completely eats the body of the previous candle, see, this is an engulfing candle. This is an engulfing candle. Why is this an engulfing candle? Because the body of this candle is greater than the body of this candle. When the body of the current candle is greater than the body of the previous candle and it has almost 0 wick, we can call it as an engulfing candle. Let's look at another example. This is an engulfing candle. Why is this an engulfing candle? Because the body of this candle is greater than the body of this candle. This is called an engulfing candle. Now let's look at another example. Guys, this is not an engulfing candle. This is not an engulfing candle because see the body of this candle is less than the body of this candle. Size of the body is less. You have to understand why the body should be bigger. Psychology आपको समझना पड़ेगा. ऐसे type देख के नहीं होगा. Psychology समझना पड़ेगा. What is the psychology? Suppose ये जो candle है, the bulls are trying to take the price up, right? The bulls are trying to take the price up. And in this candle, the bears are trying to take the price down. But they were not able to take the price down. ये candle में जो bulls जो price को बढ़ाया, suppose यहाँ पे था 400, यहाँ पे था 405. ये bulls took the price from 400 to 405, but the bears were only able to take the price down till maybe say 402. They were not able to make the price. They are not able to take the price down to 400. So this candle was not able to engulf this entire move. That's why it's not an engulfing candle, even though it does not have any wick. But this candle, this is an engulfing candle because let's say 400, 405, bull power tried to take the price up, but the bear brought the price down to say 390. The bears here, the negativity of the price, the negativity completely took the price down. ये जो positive power थी, जो positive move थी, इस positive move को पूरा खा लिया. So this is an example of the engulfing candle. समझ में आ रहा है?
एकदम
Yes, sir.
Okay.
एक नंबर.
Okay. So now see, ये तो मैंने आपको समझा दिया कि engulfing candle कैसे दिखता है, क्यों होता है, ये से. But this won't make you money ना, इससे आपको you won't be able to make money. You have to understand कि if you see an engulfing candle, you will see a lot of engulfing candles. Suppose out of 10, suppose you see an engulfing candle 10 times. Out of those 10 times, maybe only 3 to 4 times of that, maybe only 3 to 4 times are actually useful. 10 में से 3 से 4 बार useful होगा. So you have to find out where, if you find an engulfing candle will actually be useful. So market 3 तरीके से move करता है. ऐसे नीचे जाता है market, ऐसे sideways जाता है, ऐसे ऊपर जाता है. Let's talk about bullish. Okay, guys, one more thing. Bullish engulfing. When CP greater than BP. When CP is greater than opening price, the closing price is greater than opening price. And bearish engulfing. When the closing price is less than the opening price. Same engulfing को समझना पड़ेगा. जब closing price ऊपर होगा, it's a bullish engulfing. जब closing price नीचे होगा, it's a bearish engulfing. Simple as that. Now, let's take bullish engulfing. So when in the real world is bullish engulfing actually useful? Real world में का bullish engulfing actually will help you make money. So suppose यहाँ पे market नीचे जा रहा है. Here you find a bullish engulfing. Here you find a bullish engulfing. Here you find a bullish engulfing. So these are the 3 situations in which the market moves. नीचे जाएगा market, या फिर market पूरा sideways जाएगा, या फिर market ऊपर जाएगा. So in out of these 3 situations, in which situation is a bullish engulfing candle is most powerful? A bullish engulfing is most powerful in a downward market. Its power is suppose say 9 out of 10, most powerful. In a downtrending market, जब market नीचे जा रहा है, in a downtrending market नीचे जा रहा है, तब एक bullish engulfing form हुआ. At that time, the bullish engulfing is the most powerful. Sideways market, the market is neutral, ना ही ऊपर जा रहा है, ना ही नीचे जा रहा है. At that time, the bullish engulfing, yeah, average, nothing special, 5 out of 10. And up market, you have to understand the psychology of bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing psychology का मतलब क्या है? Psychology is the bulls have become more powerful. They have engulfed all the bearish move. ठीक है ना? Bearish जो move था सबको engulf कर दिया, अब market ऊपर जाएगा. अरे यार इसमें तो market already ऊपर जाएगा. Market is already going up. Market is already controlled by the bull. What is the point of bullish engulfing there? No point. It's not relevant. So at this situation, 2 out of 10. All you will get is maybe a bit more confirmation. Nothing else. This is reversal. Most important. Market नीचे जा रहा है, bullish engulfing हुआ, अब market reverse करके ऊपर जाए. This is why is this important? Try to understand. ऐसे market नीचे जा रहा है, ठीक है ना? Suppose say at this candle is like this. This is a proper bearish candle. अब इस कैंडल को एक बुलिश एनगल्फिंग ने पूरा खा लिया. Now the power of bears have come into question. Till now the bears were controlling the market. After this candle, see this candle completely ate away the power of this candle. Now the power of the bears have come into question. Are the bears actually powerful enough to keep the market going down? No. So when this type of candle happens, all the buyers who are observing the market, they start paying attention. And they buy as soon as this candle is formed and the market starts going. This is what happens when you see a bullish engulfing candle in a downtrending market. Now, bearish engulfing. Again, 3 market situations. Okay, guys, now you guys unmute yourself and say, in which of these 3 situations, a bearish engulfing will be the most powerful? कब होगा? Come on, guys, if you can't, if you don't say, then I will think मैं नहीं सिखा रहा हूँ आपको सबसे.
फर्स्ट कैंडल में सर.
फास्ट कैंडल में bearish engulfing नहीं. देखिए bearish engulf का मतलब क्या है? नेगेटिव पावर. engulfing means power and bearish engulfing means negative power. नेगेटिव पावर क्या होगा? नेगेटिव पावर आपको मार्केट को नीचे गिरा देगा, राइट? ये एकदम बेसिक चीज है. आप देखिए यहाँ पे तो मार्केट ऑलरेडी नीचे जा ही रहा है. द मार्केट इज ऑलरेडी गोइंग डाउन. व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ bearish engulfing? मार्केट तो पहले से ही नीचे जा रहा है ना, कोई फायदा नहीं है. सो दिस इज द लीस्ट पावरफुल. दिस इज द लीस्ट पावरफुल. यहाँ पे देखिए मार्केट यहाँ पे ऊपर जा रहा है, आप bearish engulfing हुआ. The bears are starting to become more powerful. The bears have become more powerful than the bulls. यहाँ पे it is most important because after this point, the trend of the market can change because till now the market was going up. After this, the market can going down. The market can go down. So a bearish engulfing candle is most relevant in an uptrending market. And a bullish engulfing candle is most relevant in a downtrending market. समझ में आया? Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's look at some live examples. Okay. See. Look at this example. This is an example. See, you can see the market is going down. पूरा downtrend market आ रहा है ना भाई? Just give me a second. See, this is a completely downtrending market. Market नीचे जा रहा है, ठीक है? And market नीचे जा रहा है यहाँ पे पूरा. And at this point, see, एकदम नीचे एक bullish engulfing candle हुआ. This is a bullish engulfing candle. See, थोड़ा बहुत weak है, but look at the body. This body completely ate away the previous body. जो आगे का body था, जो आगे का bear candle का body था, पूरा खा लिया. At this point, the bulls are no longer in control of the market. The bears are no longer in control of the market. The market is going down, but at this point, the bulls are starting to become more powerful. तो देखिए इसके बाद क्या हुआ? जैसे ये engulfing candle हुआ, देखिए मार्केट ऊपर गया. मार्केट ऊपर गया, डाउन ट्रेंड में इनगल्फिंग कैंडल हुआ, मार्केट ऊपर गया. See, look at this example. Look at this example. देखिए मार्केट नीचे आ रहा था, थोड़ा बहुत मार्केट ऊपर जाने का कोशिश किया. The bulls were trying to take the market up, but then a bearish engulfing happened. See, this body of the this bearish engulfing is so powerful. The body of the bearish engulfing is so powerful that it ate away the complete body of the previous two candles. ये पहले का दो कैंडल का full body खा लिया. This bearish candle is more powerful than any of this. And after that, what happened? Market went up. थोड़ा बहुत आप जाने का कोशिश किया, वहाँ पे bearish engulfing और market went up. So this is bearish engulfing and bullish engulfing. Any question, guys?
No.
Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. Now,
I have a question for the first box.
first box, which one? Say, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Yeah, ask.
The previous one before these two boxes.
This one.
No, before this one, there was another one.
This one.
No, you had another box. Yes, this one. So
This one. Right.
for this scenario, when the market is going up, but for the profit scale, it is not going, having an engulfing case scenario in for the against the bear. So how can we predict that it is going for the up market? Because the bear scale is much more larger than the next to bull case.
Absolutely. See, यही तो है. Trading is all about probability. See, trading, all I am teaching you all this, you cannot be sure that it will work 100%. Nothing works 100% in the stock market. If it works 100%, you guys will be, हम लोग will be printing money every day. ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता ना. So what you have to, this proper things. So the most probable things will work 7 to 8 times, 7 to 8 times out of 10 times. Nothing works 10 out of 10 times in the stock market. Nothing, absolutely nothing. So this is example of reality. This is, see, यहाँ पे ऊपर गया, and then this is a very proper bearish engulfing candle. This is a proper bearish engulfing candle. Theoretically, the market should have gone down. The market should have gone down, but it did not. After analyzing, I am sure there will be a lot of other factors at play, because I can already see that there is a support zone here. That is one reason. But थोड़ा बहुत उसके पहले थोड़ा basic समझ लेते हैं, then we will discuss all the support and resistance. Here you can see this is a support zone, इसीलिए यहाँ पे support करके ऊपर गया. But this is a resistance zone. So basically support zone का मतलब ये कि वहाँ से market support करके ऊपर जाएगा. That is support zone. And resistance का मतलब market वहाँ से, the market won't be able to break that level. Market वहाँ पे touch करके नीचे जाएगा. That is resistance. Resistance. It is resisting the market from going up. And support means it is helping the market from going up. So it is helping the market to go up. See, यहाँ पे support zone था, इसीलिए ऊपर गया, और यहाँ पे resistance zone है. See, the bearish engulfing at a resistance zone, it will go down. You have to keep patience. You have to be patient. सब कुछ, these are much more advanced topic. Today we'll be discussing only candlestick. Okay, these are much more advanced. Support, supply and demand zone is there. Support, resistance in there. Moving average, a lot of things are there. Now, let's.
ठीक है.
Okay. एक minute. Yeah. You guys can see my iPad screen?
हाँ ही रहने दो.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the second type of candle, hammer. Hammer candle looks like a hammer. ऐसे ही दिखते हैं. Hammer की तरह ही दिखते हैं. Hammer candle looks like a hammer. Hammer candle absolutely looks like a hammer. So what makes this candle a hammer candle? Wick greater than the body. Wick is greater than the body. When the wick of the candle is greater than the body, it is a hammer candle. And also another factor is, सिर्फ एक ही, there will be wick only in one side. See, if there is wick on this side, there cannot be wick on this side. There will be wick only on one side of the candle, and the body of the candle will be smaller than the wick of the candle. That is, in that type of candle, we can say hammer candle. So these are few examples of hammer candle. So in theory, in ideal world, hammer candles look like this. This is bullish and bearish hammer, bullish and bearish hammer, and this is bullish and bearish inverted hammer. Inverted hammer. Again, guys, these names are not necessary. I am just telling so that you guys know कि इसको क्या नाम है, इसको क्या नाम है, but these are not necessary. You have to understand the psychology. What is the psychology behind this week? What is the psychology behind this body? You have to understand the psychology behind the hammer candle. And trust me, hammer candle, every day trader use hammer candle for taking entry and exit in their trade. Every day trader. Hammer candles provide a beautiful entry and exit. Beautiful. So, मैं जब समझा रहा हूँ, try to concentrate on everything. So, this is a bullish hammer. Bullish hammer. And this is a bearish hammer. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so let's first look at this. This is the open, this is the close, this is the high, this is the low. So what exactly happened here? What happened here? This zone we call LPR, lower price rejection. We call this zone LPR, lower price rejection. Lower price rejection का मतलब क्या है? Lower price rejection means the price, the bear try to take the price down. Bears try to take the price down. But the bulls are much more powerful. The bulls are much more powerful. They fought against the bear. They won. They did not let the bear to take the price down. They pushed the price back up. They pushed the price back up. This is called LPR, lower price rejection. Bull more powerful than bear. Market up. This is LPR, lower price rejection. Bulls are much more powerful than bear. Lower price rejection. Now, what about this then? What about this? This is also a hammer. This is also a hammer. We'll say this as bearish hammer because you can see it looks like ulta bearish hammer. Now, why are you saying this bearish hammer? This is this is open, this is closed, this is low, this is high. So what is actually happening here? This is just the opposite, HPR. HPR stands for higher price rejection. HPR stands for higher price rejection. So what exactly happens in higher price rejection? In higher price rejection, the bulls try to take the price up. See, that's why the candle made high here. ठीक है ना? Candle पहले यहाँ तक ऊपर तक गया, but it failed to sustain here. It failed. The bears were more powerful than the bulls. They took the price down till here. Market ऊपर तक गया, but the bears are much more powerful than the bulls. They drag the market down with them. Market को नीचे खींच लाया. See, open, close. This is higher price rejection. This is exactly what happens in a bearish hammer. अभी तक समझ में आया? These two concepts, LPR and HPR, समझ में आया guys?
एकदम.
Now, अब देखिए, अब एक now what I'm trying to say is absolutely a pro concept. पूरा pro concept है, समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. Okay, guys. Now, you guys say, what type of hammer is this? What type of hammer is this?
Bullish and bearish hammer.
Bullish and bearish hammer. You are saying this bearish because the closing price is less than the opening price. And you are saying this bullish because the closing price is greater than opening price, right? यही रीजन है ना?
Yes.
मैं पहले क्या बोला? ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. नाउ हियर कम्स द प्रो कॉन्सेप्ट. मैं पहले क्या बोला था? व्हाट डिड आई से अर्लियर कि high low thus data won't make you money, the psychology will make you psychology. Try to figure out the same psychology is applying to both of these candles. Same psychology applied. Both of them are facing equal LPR. See, both of them are facing equal LPR. What does that mean? It means both of these candle are taking the price up. दोनों ही price को ऊपर जा रहा है, ऊपर. The price in both of these candle tried to come at this level. That's why it made this low. But both of these candle, in both of these candle, the bulls are more powerful. The bulls are more powerful. They were able to take the price back up. So yes, the color of this candle may be red, may be green. Color might be different. But ये दो candle दोनों ही bullish in nature है. दोनों candle ही bullish in nature है. समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. Both of them are facing LPR. Both of them are facing LPR. The color is not mandatory. In my personal trading view account, the green candle is colored as blue, and the bear candle is colored as black. So I do not use green and red. The color is not necessary. You have to understand the psychology. Both of this candle is facing lower price reaction. Both of these candle are bullish in nature. So you can go long. You can go long in either of these candle. What is we see? Just look at the size of the wick and look at the size of the body. The size of the body is nothing. The size of the body is nothing in comparison to the size of the wick. And what I said, in hammer, the wick is important than the body. Wick is much more important than the body. So both of these candles are facing equal LPR. Both of these candles are bullish in nature. Color, yeah, it is not that relevant. समझ में आया, guys?
LPR part
Yes.
is not clear to me. Is it possible?
Yeah, of course. Okay, so which part of LPR is not clear to you?
This one.
This one. Okay. Okay. First, let's recap LPR. LPR, you have to understand how LPR works. Okay. LPR means lower price reaction. Forget that term does not matter. LPR में यही होता है कि the bears price को नीचे ले जाने का कोशिश करते हैं. The bears try to take the price down, but the bulls are more powerful. They take the price back up again. इसीलिए weak होता है. So you guys first know weak होता कैसे? How is a weak in a candle form? ये जो body है, suppose ये है price 2, ये है price 1. The body might have tried to go down till price level 3, but it was not able to sustain at level 3. It again came down. So यही पे तो weak होता है ना, and the body, that's how a weak is formed. So this weak has faced LPR. So again, what does LPR actually means? LPR का मतलब price नीचे गया. The bear took the price down, but the bulls were more powerful than the bear, that they again took the price back up. The bears were not able to sustain the price at this level. Bulls, जो positivity है market में, the positivity is much more powerful than the negativity. वो positivity price को फिर से ऊपर ले गया. समझ में आया आप?
Yes.
Confirm?
Yes. You can show a live example.
Of course. I'll show you a live example. Okay, now look at this. See, this is a very good example. Just give me a minute. Yes, see. This is a perfect example. Look at this candles. Okay, look at this. This particular candle, you can see it's a bullish hammer. Small body, bigger wick. It is facing lower price rejection face card. Now look at this candle. This is exactly the same candle. It is also facing lower price rejection. Only it is red in color. The close price is lower than the opening price. Look at this candle. This is also a proper bullish hammer, but the color is red. The closing price is lower than the opening price. But what happened in both these instances? Again, look at this. This is another beautiful example. Look at this. Look at this. Here, the wick is so large, the wick is so high, the wick is so long, the body is so small. It faced massive LPR, बहुत ही strong lower price rejection faced here. In all these instances, regardless of the color, regardless of the red and green color, all these candles faced LPR. They faced lower price rejection. In all these candles, the bulls were more powerful. And what ultimately happened? After this candle, market went up. After this candle, market went up. After this candle, market went up. आया समझ में?
Yes, much clear.
Much clear. Okay. Now, let me explain bearish hammer. I think it will get even more clear. Okay, so bearish hammer. Same for bearish hammer also. Both of these candles are absolutely equal. See, एक कैंडल में एक का क्लोजिंग प्राइस ऊपर है, एक का क्लोजिंग प्राइस नीचे है. That is the only difference. But see, what is the similarity between both this candle? Both of them faced equal HPR. Both of these candles faced equal HPR. Both of these candles faced equal higher price reaction. In both of these candles, the bear is much more powerful than the bull. In both of these candles, price ऊपर गया, price ऊपर जाने का कोशिश किया, but the bears are much more powerful. That's why they were able to take the price down. देखिए यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? This is the open, this is the close, right? यहाँ पे bulls were able to take the price up to this much, but the bear were more powerful. They ultimately took the price back down. And what happened in this candle? Same. It opened here and it closed here. That is the only difference, but the rest is absolutely similar. Price यहाँ तक ऊपर ले गया bulls, but they failed to sustain here. The bears brought the price back down to here. देखिए, एक में क्या हुआ? The bears just bought the price by this much more. The only difference is the bears were able to bring the price down by this much more. That is the only difference. But the basic psychology behind both the candle is absolutely same. In both the candle, bulls tried to take the price up. The bear successfully took the price down. आया समझ में? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, now let's look at one live example. Look at this. See, market ऐसे ऊपर जा रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है. Look at this particular candle. This is a perfect example. This is a bookish example of bearish hammer. Upper wick, huge higher price rejection. See, ऊपर से बहुत rejection है. The bulls took the price high, took the price up till here. This is where the high was formed. But the bear were much more powerful. They dragged the price down till here. And after that, market failed. Now let's look at a green bearish hammer. तो आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा और भी ज्यादा. Okay, so okay, here only see. Here only see. Both of these, a green, a red. See, this is how the real world works. There is a little much weak in both of them, but we will still consider them as bearish hammer. You have to understand the psychology. The size of the lower wick is nothing as compared to the size of the upper wick is nothing. So the lower wick is absolutely relevant. If you can compare the size of both the wicks, then you cannot consider it as a hammer candle. Here, the size of the wick, lower wick is nothing in comparison to the size of the upper wick. So we will consider this as a hammer candle, bearish hammer. This is how real world works. See, in both these cases, the bulls tried to take the price up. In this particular case, the bulls tried to take the price up. यहाँ तक ऊपर लेगा, but the bear became more powerful. They made the bulls fail. The bulls failed to sustain the price, and the bear took the price down. यहाँ तक नीचे. And what happened at this candle? Again, the bull tried to take the price up. फिर से कोशिश किया, and the bears फिर से नीचे ले आया. They again took the price down. फिर से नीचे, after that the market fell. आया समझ में? How, see, color is different in green and red, but both this candle worked absolutely the same. Same psychology में काम किया. समझ में आया? ये basic चीज समझ में आया?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. तो यही important है. Bullish hammer, bearish hammer, color important नहीं है. This psychology which you guys have now understood, that is the real thing. That is the most important. Now let's look at an example. Okay. We all know Indian market 9:15 में open होता है, 3:30 में close होता है. We all know that. Suppose at the end of the day, for example, there is a stock A, stock whatever. The candle looks like this. At the end of the day, the candle looks like this.
Can you share the iPad?
Oh, sorry guys. I absolutely forgot, sorry. Okay. Now let me draw it. Suppose this is stock A. Okay. This is stock A. At the end of the day, again, Indian market opens 9:15, closes at 3:30. So at the end of the day, one day, okay, one basic thing you guys should know. There are a lot of type of you can see a 5-minute candle. 5-minute candle means this 5-minute candle means it contains the summary of the price movement in those particular 5 minutes. If you select 5-minute candle, okay, let me again show you. Look at this. If you select 5-minute candle, you guys can see my screen, right? So here, if you select 5-minute candle, the duration of every candle lasts for 5 minutes. मतलब 5 मिनट में एक candle होगा. At the 6th minute, a new candle start. At the 11th minute, another candle start. At the 16th minute, another candle start. Look at this. This candle started at 9:20. This particular candle started at 9:20. When did the next candle start? Next candle started at 9:25. So every candle, this particular candle shows the price movement that took place in those 5 minutes. This 9:25 candle shows the price movement that took place in the next 5 minutes. This 9:30 candle shows the price movement that took place in the next 5 minutes. So if we switch to 15 minutes, okay, trading view is working slow. Here it is. Okay. So now if we switch to 15 minutes, each candle will last for 15 minutes. At the 16th minute, another candle will form. At the 31st minute, another candle will form. So each candle is now 15 minutes long. Each candle will show a summary of the price movement for those 15 minutes. Okay. So look at this. This candle started at 9:50. The next candle started at 9:30. It did not start at 9:20 because I have switched to 15-minute time frame. So each candle will start for 50. Each candle will last for 15 minutes. So at 9:15, the candle opened here. At 9:30, the candle closed here. Then at again 9:31, this candle started here. At 9:45, it closed here. If you switch to 1 hour, it's all the same. But now, if you switch to 1 hour, the candles will now last for 1 hour. See, 9:15, this candle started, and the next candle started at 10:50. The next candle started at 11:15. So this, if you now, as you have switched to 1 hour, this candle will show the data of the price movement that took place in the entire 1 hour, not 5 minutes, not 15 minutes, but 1 घंटे में जो price movement का summary हो, this candle will show the price movement for that 1 hour. तो ये basic, ये चीज clear हुआ ना guys कि how the candle works. 5-minute candle will last only for 5 minutes. A 15-minute candle will last only for 15 minutes, and 1 hour candle will last for 1 hour. ये clear हुआ? So I can proceed then.
Yes.
Okay. Now, so a 15-minute candle is comprised of 3 5-minute candle, right? Simple. And 1 hour candle is comprised of 4 15-minute candle. Simple. Suppose ये 1 hour का एक candle. If you, okay, let me show you. Suppose this is 405. This is 400. And the 1 hour candle looks like this. The 1 hour candle looks like this. Now, if you switch to 15 minute, you want to switch to 15 minute. When you switch to 15 minutes, this candle may be divided into 4 candle. Who knows? So our one hour candle is composed of 4 15 minutes candle. Now look at this example. Stock A. Okay. So ek din ka, what does 1 day candle? You can also see 1 day candle. If you move the time frame to 1 day, then the entire price movement, ek din mein jo pura price movement hua, a 1 day, 1 candle will show the price movement, the summary of the price movement of an entire day. That what a 1 day time frame candle does. So 1 day time frame will consist of 6 1 hour candle, because Indian stock market is open for around 6 to 6.5 hours. 6 1 hour candle. So suppose after 3:30, the 1 day candle of stock A looks like this. This is 400. This is 405. At the end of the day, you might see, yaar, price to say 5 rupiah upar gaya. What is the point? The market must be so boring. The price only went up by ₹5. Nothing, only 5 rupees profit. No short seller. Those who are betting for the short, like short selling, jo maine pehle hi bola tha, who make money when the market goes down, the short seller must have made loss because market ta upar gaya. That is wrong. Why? Because see, let's make 5 columns. Okay, so these are 5 columns. We all know, let's mark this at 9:15, 11:15, 12:15, 1:15, 2:15, and this is 3:30, end of the day. Now, we know ki yahan pe open and high is always from the body. So we know the candle opened here. Let's assume ki ye yahan tak gaya. At 9:15, the price of stock A looked like this. At 10:15, the price of stock A looked like this, because the low is here. So during the day, the price has to move down. During the duration of the day, the price has to move down to this lowest level. इसीलिए यहाँ पे low हुआ ना. So price यहाँ तक गया, low तक गया. See, at the end of the day, we are seeing the market upar gaya. But as a day trader, anyone would have made money if they had gone short sell kiya, so anyone would have made money. Now again, let's say at 12:30, the market went up like this. Then maybe here, this is the opening price. Just sorry, guys. Yeah. Then maybe at 11:50, 1:15 here, maybe at 12:30 like this, and then finally like this. You see, what I am basically trying to say is in a 1 day time frame consists of 6 1 hour candle. So the market goes like this in the entire day, and this entire movement ka summary in a one day candle we see at this. Itna sa agar price movement hua, yahan pe open hua, yahan pe close hua, but who knows, at the entire day the price have gone down like this, then it went up. This is how a day trader makes money. The day trader, सपोज यहाँ पे शॉर्ट कर दिया, यहाँ पर नीचे का, डे ट्रेडर यहाँ तक प्रॉफिट किया, या फिर डे ट्रेडर यहाँ पे बाय कर दे, यहाँ पे जो हाई हुआ, डे ट्रेडर यहाँ तक लॉन्ग गया, यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट बुक किया. दिस इज हाउ अ डे ट्रेडर मेक्स मनी. द डे ट्रेडर ट्रैक्स द स्मॉल मूवमेंट्स दैट हैपेंस विद इन द डे. दिस इज हाउ द डे ट्रेडर मेक्स मनी. Now, again, you guys have now understood the psychology behind hammer candle. Hammer candle का जो psychology LP और HP वो समझ में आया. Now, the most important thing is where is a bullish hammer actually relevant? Bullish hammer actually कहाँ पे useful है? So again, these are the three market conditions. A bullish hammer looks like this. This is a bullish hammer. So where is a bullish hammer actually relevant? Look at this. Market is already going up. Market तो already ऊपर जा रहा है ना. The bulls are already much more powerful. Market ऊपर जा रहा है. The bulls are already much more powerful. यहाँ पे bullish hammer, what is the relevance? Because the market is already going up. I already know that the bulls are more powerful than the bears. So this is 1 out of 10. This is absolutely useless here. In a sideways market, I will give it 5 out of 10 because the market is not going up, neither it is going down. So I don't know in which direction the market will go. But in a sideways market, if I see a bullish hammer, chalo yaar, aap market upar ja sakta hai. 5 out of 10. But in a downtrending market, it is 9 out of 10. It is very good. Downtrending market, mein market niche ja raha hai. I know the bears are much more powerful than the bulls, but then I see a bullish hammer. In that particular instant, in that particular time frame, the bulls have become much more powerful than the bears. अभी बहुत high probability है कि market ऊपर जाएगा. There is a high chance. So in a downtrending market, the bullish hammer is much more powerful than a bullish hammer in an uptrending market. Now for bearish hammer. Again, 3 market conditions. So guys, you see, in which of this market condition is the bearish hammer most powerful? अब बताइए.
When the
Guys,
market is going up,
perfect. Absolutely. Absolutely. Because when the market is going up, we know that the bulls are more powerful than bear. But यहाँ पे एक bear hammer आता है. What does bear hammer represent? Bearish hammer represents कि at that particular time frame, the bears are much more powerful than bulls. So a lot of people will go short here and they will book profit. यहाँ पे there is a high chance in a uptrending market after a bearish hammer, there is a high chance that the market can go down. That's why it is the most powerful, 9 out of 10. Again, in sideways market, we don't know the market is going up or down. So yeah, this can give us some type of clarity. So it's averagely powerful. But in this instant, market they are already niche ja raha, it is already going down. What is the point? This is 1 out of 10. This is 1 out of 10. Guys, hammer pura clear hua? Bearish hammer, bullish hammer, the psychology is, was I able to clear out everything? Crystal clear hua? If you guys have any doubt, please ask me.
नहीं कुछ नहीं सब पूरा क्रिस्टल क्लियर.
Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. Now the third type of candle, doji. The third type of candle is doji. A doji candle looks like this. A doji candle looks like this. There is no body. Basically, a doji candle ऐसे दिखता है कि the upper wick and the lower wick are so big in size that you cannot predict LPR ज्यादा है या फिर HPR ज्यादा है. LPR ज्यादा है फिर HPR ज्यादा है. Doji means confusion. Avoid doji. Doji means confusion, indecision. Avoid doji. You will never trade in doji. Suppose यहाँ पे market ऊपर जा रहा है, यहाँ पे doji form हुआ. You see, you don't know. यहाँ पे doji form आपको पता है. You don't know कि market ऊपर जाएगा नीचे जाएगा. You do not know. That is what doji is. You have to wait for the next candle to form. If the next candle forms like this, you can go up, or if the next candle form like this, you can go down. So why is doji relevant? Because see, in an uptrending market, यहाँ पे doji हुआ. Now you will start paying attention because in an uptrending market, up till this moment, the bulls we're in absolute control of the situation. Everyone is sure that the bull is now much more powerful. But then the doji happened. What does doji means? Equal HPR, LPR equals to HPR. So basically the bear, in this situation, the bears have matched their power with the bull. Now no one knows for sure कि market ऊपर जाएगा कि नीचे जाएगा. You have to wait out for the next candle to form. You have to wait for the next candle. कि next candle कैसा होगा? Bullish होगा या फिर bearish होगा? If you find out the next candle is bearish in nature, you go short. If you find out the next candle is bullish in nature, you go long. Same in a downtrending market. Doji happens, you have to wait for the next candle, because up till this moment in this downtrending market, the bears are in absolutely control. They're absolutely controlling the market. But then this doji happened. The bulls have matched their power with the bear. The power of the bull is equal to the power of the bear. Now you have to wait for the next candle. It is possible that the next candle is again a bearish candle. You go short, you continue your short selling. But if you find a bullish candle, ki market upar, then you will go long. This is doji. Doji is nothing else. Doji is confusion. You will never trade in a doji. You will wait for the next candle to form so that you can decide what to do with that particular doji candle. Clear हुआ guys?
डोजी का अपमान हो गया.
Okay guys, let me show you some example of doji. Okay. Now can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Now देखिए, see, market यहाँ पे नीचे जा रहा था, ठीक है? Now the doji happened. What you will do? You will not take a trade. You will neither go short. You will neither go long. You will start paying attention now. As soon as the next candle is formed, see, it is a proper bearish engulfing candle. This candle is such a big body, it absolutely no weak. Bearish engulfing, now you can go short. And what happened? The market went up. This is what doji is. So doji clear हुआ guys?
एकदम एकदम.
Guys, is doji clear to you? You have to open your mic and say.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
ये hammer, engulfing या doji लेके आपको कोई भी doubt है? Any doubt? Ask.
सर एक डाउट है.
डोजी के बाद क्या मार्केट हर समय नीचे
नहीं
जाता
सर,
है?
एक बार बोले थे कि वही एंट्री और एग्जिट सिनेरियो बोलेंगे हैमर कैंडल का निकलने के समय, वो आपने
हाँ।
एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया.
अच्छा ठीक है, एक सेकंड. ओके सी, बेसिकली ऐसे होता है. इसके लिए आपको सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस ये सब पता होना चाहिए. इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग टॉपिक. वी विल ट्राई टू कवर इट on the next webinar because support resistance will take another 3 to 5 hours. See, basically I know here is a support zone. Here is a support zone. So okay, just assume you know support. Basically I am explaining with the basic. Support मतलब वहां से support को price touch करके ऊपर जाएगा. That is the psychology of support. Resistance मतलब resistance को price touch करके price नीचे जाएगा. Resistance means negativity. It will resist the price from going up. Support means positivity. It will help the price to go up. That is what support and resistance zone is. I know कि यहाँ पे एक support zone है. Now look at this. At this support zone, look at this. At this support means price will touch that and it will go up. That is the psychology of support zone. There is a proper bearish hammer at the support zone. See, proper bearish hammer. But this is, since this is a support zone, the support zone in this instance is much more powerful than the bearish hammer. So it pushed the price up. And see, this is a proper bullish hammer. Such a big wick, and the body is small and at the top. This is a bullish hammer. This is a bullish hammer. These are all bullish hammer candles. And these bullish hammer candles are formed at the support zone. That is point number 1. And point number 2, these bullish hammer candles are also formed at this downtrend. So 2 things are getting checked. Bullish hammer forming at a support zone and bullish hammer forming at a downtrend. What I said, in a downtrending market, the bullish hammer is most powerful. Point number 1, check. Point number 2, bullish hammer formed at a support zone. Support zone का काम क्या है? Support zone का काम है price को ऊपर push the price up. And bullish hammer का मतलब क्या? Bullish hammer means bullish in nature. The bullish hammer means the price will go up. See, bullish hammer in a downtrending market, bullish hammer in a support zone. Price went straight up. The price shot up. थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आया? सपोर्ट जोन में कैसे एंट्री, ये हुआ एंट्री का भाग, सी ये हुआ एंट्री का भाग, समझ में आया?
एकदम एकदम
Okay, now exit. Now let's look at this example. See here, this is a downtrending market, and we know we have already established that this is a support zone. Support zone मतलब price उसको touch करके ऊपर जाए. Short selling मतलब we are betting that the market will go down. We want the market to go down. That is what short selling is. So suppose यहाँ पे you have short sold. The market is going down, you are making money. Market going down, you are making money. At this support zone, this bullish hammer happened. This bullish hammers happened. Again, bullish hammer का मतलब bullish hammer in a downtrend. Point number 1 check. Bullish hammer in a support zone. Point number 2 check. Now you know कि bullish hammer downtrend में हुआ और bullish hammer support zone में हुआ. There is a very high probability that the market will go up. You are short, you are betting that the market will go down. If the market starts going up, your profit, आपका SL hit होगा, आपका profit will decrease. So what you will do? As soon as you find out that there is a bullish hammer in this downtrending market, and above that there is a bullish hammer in a support zone, you exit your trade. See, you took the entry here, seeing bullish hammer, and you exited the trade here, seeing bullish hammer. So this is how we use hammer in entry and exits. This is one example of how we use hammer as an entry and exit. This is just an example. To cover the entire topic, I will try to cover it in the next webinar. The next webinar will be after Durga Puja. I will try to cover it at that time. So what I said, basically थोड़ा बहुत मैं समझाने का कोशिश किया. वो समझ में आया guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एक नंबर
Okay. अभी बहुत कुछ समझा है. So let's take a 10 minutes break. I told on the first day I will cover 2 topics. This was the first topic, candle, and the second topic. Let's take a 10 minutes break. After that, we'll cover the second topic. Second topic, we'll try to cover market structure. And see, ये जो मैं बोला, hammer, engulfing, doji, these are all a small part of the entire candlestick subject. The entire candlestick subject is much broader. There are so many important candlestick patterns, chart patterns. Like what is a candlestick pattern? Several, see, till now अभी तक हम लोग ये समझे कि what a particular candle looks like. एक candle को इसको हम doji बोलते हैं, एक को इसको hammer. Now a group of doji, a group of hammer and doji. All these different candles make different candlestick patterns together, like morning star, etc., etc. A group of candles make candlestick patterns. That is another huge topic. Then chart pattern is there. Several group of candlestick patterns form different chart patterns. Understanding candlestick patterns can help us to determine whether the market will go up or go down. Understanding chart patterns will help us to determine whether the market will go up or go down. So these are vast topics. It's impossible to cover today. So हमारे पास जो limited time था उसमें I have tried my best to cover the basics as much as possible. Foundation, I have created you guys foundation. Foundation मैंने आपका create कर दिया. Now you guys know how to read a candlestick. What is a candlestick psychology? ये जो weak और body है, what is the relation between the weak and the body? एक candle का इतना सा body है, एक का इतना बड़ा body है. Which one is much more powerful? एक candle का equal upper wick है, equal lower wick है, और एक candle का safe lower wick है. So which candle is much more bullish in nature? Those I have clarified. So regarding all this, do you guys have any problem? Ask me, any problem, any confusion? Okay, then perfect. Let's take a 10-minute break. So guys, I am starting. All right. Now we'll understand market structure. Market structure basically means कि market जो move करता है ना upward, market कैसे up move करेगा? Market जो down move कर रहा है, how the market is going down, and market जो sideways move कर रहा है, how the market is going sideways. And one more thing, during registration আমি অনেক দেখেছি যে আমার অনেক a lot of people registered from Bengal. তো আমার সব বাঙালি বন্ধুরা, আমি এটাকে বাংলাতে আনফরচুনেটলি এটাকে করতে পারিনি কারণ নট এভরিওয়ান ইজ ফ্রম বেঙ্গল, তো তারা বাংলাতে বুঝবে না, সেই জন্য আমি ইংলিশ আর হিন্দিতে করছি যাতে আমরা সবাই বুঝতে পারি। তো লেটস কন্টিনিউ। সো আই উইল শেয়ার মাই স্ক্রিন নাও and Just give me. Guys, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Perfect. Now, market structure. Market structure. Market structure basically means whatever the name is trying to say. Market ka structure. It's as simple as that. So there are three types of market structure. Market structure 1, like this. Market structure 2, like this. And market structure 3, like this. Okay. Now, listen to me very carefully. और ये concept, bolt it in your mind, crystal clear होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Market never moves in a straight line. Market कभी भी straight line में market नहीं जाता. Market never moves in a straight line. Market always moves in waves. Market always moves in waves. Why is this wave formed? I am going into that. But market always moves in wave. थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा, नीचे जाएगा, फिर ऊपर जाएगा, नीचे जाएगा, फिर ऊपर जाएगा, या फिर नीचे जाएगा, थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा, नीचे जाएगा, थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा, फिर से नीचे जाएगा. Market always moves in waves. Now let's look at market structure 1. Market structure 1 is like this. Okay. So market structure 1 basically means uptrend. Uptrend market will look like this. Uptrend market will not look like this. Adani stock is exception. Don't think of Adani stock. Adani stock does not make any sense. Adani stock is exception.
Nice example. Good example.
So what actually happens here? See, what actually happens? This is, let me draw clearly. This is point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, point F. So let's say Rishi bought here. Rishi bought 10 stocks here. This is where Rishi bought. Now after point B, Rishi is making some profit. See, price went this much. So of course Rishi will be making some profit. He sold the stock here. We are human beings. We see money, we earn them. We are profit. In our trade, we are making profit. So obviously we'll book the profit now. Otherwise, in the Demat account, in the broking app, profit is just a number. Profit is just a number. When we book the profit, when we sell the stocks we buy, when we book the profit, then only that number gets converts into real money. So of course, Rishi will book his profit here, booked profit here. So what does this mean? यहाँ पे ऋषि ने खरीदा, यहाँ पे बेच दिया मतलब यहाँ पे buying pressure था, यहाँ पे बेच दिया. So because of selling, the stock went little bit down. Stock थोड़ा सा नीचे गया. Now let's look at, okay, Sukesh. Now Sukesh missed buying here. Sukesh यहाँ पे buy करना, for some reason he missed this opportunity of buy. Now he's at point B. Sukesh को लग रहा है कि the stock is already too high. चलो अभी नहीं खरीद सकता because already stock ऊपर चला गया. At this point, what happens? Sukesh is seeing the stock is at point C. Yeah, stock थोड़ा नीचे गया. Suppose Sukesh यहाँ पे B में price था ₹10, यहाँ पे price था ₹2, यहाँ पे price है ₹6. When the stock was at ₹10, Sukesh is seeing कि price यार बहुत महंगा है. And when the stock has reached ₹6, Sukesh is seeing चलो यार मुझे ये stock ₹4 discount में मिल रहा है, आप खरीद लेते. Now I can afford it. Now let's buy it. So when Rishi booked ₹8 profit, the stock went down by a bit. At ₹6, Sukesh bought it. फिर से the stock started going up again. Let's say it's ₹20. At 20, Sukesh booked profit. Sukesh thought, हो गया ₹14 profit. ₹14 profit is enough for me. Then he sold it. Again the stock थोड़ा बहुत नीचे गया. यहाँ पे book किया, stock थोड़ा बहुत नीचे गया because he bought it, he sold it. Now there is more stocks in there is more supply than demand. So यहाँ पे sell करना, what happens? Price When does a market goes up? आप जब खरीदते हो it goes up. आप जब बेचते हो market goes up. As simple as that. तो यहाँ पे सुकेश ने बेच दिया, सुकेश sold here and stock went down. Now let's look another example. Let's say Suman bought here. Suman bought here. So let's say this is rupees 18. Suman bought, yes. According to Suman, rupees 20 is much high. She cannot bought at that level, so she bought at 18. Now the stock again went up. Again at late rupees 13, Suman booked her profit. So this is why the market moves in waves. Someone is buying here. Then after a small movement, that person is booking their profit there. इसीलिए नीचे गिरा. Then again at a discounted price, some other buyer bought. Then again after the stock moved, again someone sold. Then again because of selling, stock थोड़ा नीचे गिरा. Then again at this discounted price, someone else bought. फिर से stock ऊपर गया. फिर यहाँ पे कोई बेच दिया, फिर से नीचे गिरेगा. फिर यहाँ पे कोई खरीद लिया, फिर से ऊपर जाएगा. So this is why the market never moves in a straight line. Market always थोड़ा ऊपर गया, profit book किया, नीचे गया, फिर से खरीदा, ऊपर गया, profit book किया, नीचे गया, फिर से खरीदा, ऊपर गया. This is how market moves. Market moves in a way. समझ में आया guys? Am I clear?
एकदम एकदम.
Yes.
Okay. Now, how can you say market structure 1 means uptrend, going up. So how can you say this is market structure 1, but this is not market structure 2? This is not market structure 1. This is structure 1. This is also structure 1, but this is wrong. This is structure 1. This is not structure 1. How can you say that this is an uptrending market? This is market structure because of higher high and higher low. See, this is a low. The price made यहाँ पे low बना है, यहाँ पे high बना है. Simple, high. So where is the next low? The next low is higher than the previous low. The next low is higher than the previous low. The next low is higher than the previous low. Now this high is higher than the previous high. The previous high was here. Now the present high, the current high is higher than the previous high. And the current low, the previous low is here. The current low is higher than the previous low. After that, again, the new high is here. The new high is here. This new high is even higher than the previous high. This new high is even higher than the previous high. And this new low is even higher than the previous low. See, market is constantly making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Basic structure समझ में आया ना? Higher high. Market structure 1 means uptrend. How uptrend? यहाँ पे high बनाया, यहाँ पे low था, यहाँ पे high था. Next low is here, higher low. Next high is here, higher high. Next low is here, higher low. Next high is here, higher high. ये structure समझ में आया? Basic higher high, higher low, guys. समझ में आया ना? एकदम. Now let's look at some live chart example. Look at this. Look at this. See, let's consider the low here. Okay, let's consider this point or this point the low. Okay, यहाँ पे एक low है. This is the low and this is the high. This is the high. This is the low. This is the high. The next low is here. See, market यहाँ पे कोई खरीदा, यहाँ तक गया, यहाँ पे लोग profit book किया, market नीचे गिरा. The price went down. Then again here some buyers bought it. इसीलिए the market started again going up. See, the new low is at a higher price than the previous low. The previous low is around 0.98, but the current low is around 0.99. So the new high is higher than the the new low is higher than the previous low. Look at this point. This is the new high, and the new high is higher than the previous high. The previous high is around 1.002, and the new high is around 1.01. So the new high is higher than the previous high, and the new low is higher than the previous low. Again, look at this. This new low is even higher than the previous low. This new low is even higher than the previous low, and this new high is even higher than the previous high. So this is market structure 1. See, up, down, up, down, up, down. Market is moving in a way. Upward movement, correction, booked profit. Again, someone bought, correction. Again, someone bought, correction. So this is market structure 1. Now, market structure 2. Now, market structure 2. Market structure 2 matlab downtrending, market niche jayega. And again, market does not go in a straight line. Market, how does the market actually goes down? Market goes down like this. ऐसे market ऐसे नीचे जाता है. The market goes down like this. Someone short sold here, ठीक है ना? Someone shorted the stock here. यहाँ पे short sell, what I am telling, selling at a higher price. See how short sell में कैसा profit होता है? This is 405. This is 40. Let's take example. तो someone shorted the stock here. महंगाई में बेच दिया, फिर सस्ते में खरीद लिया. They bought here, so they made 5 rupees profit. They made 5 rupees profit. This is how short selling works. So यहाँ पे short sell क्या? Someone booked their profit here. For that, short sell मतलब बेच दिया, right? Short sell मतलब बेच दिया, इसीलिए the market started going down. और short sell में when you are booking profit in a short sell, it means you are buying the stock. Or what happens when you buy the stock? The stock goes up. The stock goes up. तो stock ऊपर गया, stock ऊपर गया. फिर यहाँ पे another seller short sell. यहाँ पे again someone short sold. Again the stock started going down. फिर से नीचे जाना शुरू किया. That seller booked their profit here. यहाँ पे बुक किया, मतलब खरीदा, फिर से ऊपर गया. यहाँ पे फिर से कोई शॉर्ट सेल किया, फिर से नीचे गया, booked profit here. फिर से ऊपर गया because of booking profit stock buy, फिर से कोई शॉर्ट सेल किया, फिर से मार्केट नीचे गया. So this is how a downtrend market works. This is market structure 2. This is why a downtrending market moves in wave. थोड़ा सा नीचे गया, कोई प्रॉफिट बुक किया, खरीद ले, ऊपर गया, फिर से कोई बेच दिया, नीचे जाने लगा, फिर कोई प्रॉफिट बुक किया और खरीद ले, ऊपर गया, फिर से कोई बेच दिया, फिर से नीचे गया. समझ में आया गाइस?
एकदम.
Yes,
पूरा.
Okay, now let's look at this. Let's look at live example of short sell. Sorry, market structure 2. Look at this example. See, look at this example. This was the high. Okay, let's consider this as the high and this as the low. ठीक है, high and low. People यहाँ पे they shorted the market here. यहाँ पे short कर दिया market को. Market went down. After this point, whoever shorted the market, they thought, चलो मैंने बहुत profit कमा लिया, अभी अपन profit book कर लेगा. They book the profit here. और short sell में profit book करने का मतलब you are buying the stock, and what happens when you buy the stock? The price goes up. इसीलिए price ऊपर गया. फिर यहाँ पे जाके कोई सोचा, चलो यार प्राइस बहुत ऊपर आ गया, अब प्राइस को अपन फिर से नीचे ना आएंगे. I will make the price move down again. Guys, my Hindi is terrible, I know. Forgive me for my Hindi. तो यहाँ पे फिर से someone shorted the market.
पूरा ठीक है, हिंदी सीख दिए, एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास है आपका.
Someone shorted the market here again. ठीक है, यहाँ पे फिर से short sell किया. Again the market went down. फिर से market नीचे गया. Again that person thought, चलो यार मैंने बहुत profit कर लिया. Now they book their profit. Short sell means they have to buy the stock to book their profit. यहाँ पे खरीद लिया. Again they shorted the market here. फिर से नीचे गया. So this is how a downtrending market was. Shorted, book profit up, shorted again, book profit here, shorted again, book profit here. So this is how market, this is market structure 2. This is how downtrending market works. Now, see, this is market structure 2 and this is market structure 1, side by side. So how will you determine, how will you identify that the market has moved from market structure 2 to market structure 1? How will you identify that कि ये जो particular euro USD है, euro USD is a forex pair, तो ये euro USD, how the euro USD moved from a downtrending market to an uptrending market? See, till here it was making lower high and lower low. Okay, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But at this point, if the downtrending market, अगर downtrending market continue होता, तो the new high should have been lower than this, correct? तभी downtrending market होगा lower high, but the new high was made here. The market broke market structure 2. Market structure 2 को तोड़ दिया, तोड़ के नया ऊंचा हाई बनाया. It made a higher high and also it made a higher low. वो सिर्फ higher high नहीं बनाया, वो higher low भी बनाया. Market structure 2 मतलब lower high, lower low. Those are the two rules of market structure to a downtrending market. But market at 1530, at market at 430, at this time, the market made higher high and higher low. The market broke all the rules for a downtrending market. And after that, so as soon as it made a higher high and a higher low, you know that the market is no longer in a downtrending market because it made higher and higher low. The downtrending market खत्म हो गया. Now you have to observe कि ये consolidate market ये sideways जा रहा है या फिर ऊपर जा रहा है. You have to observe. Now you can see कि it made higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So you can say for sure that after the downtrending market, the market became an uptrending market. समझ में आया guys? If you have any question, ask me.
क्लियर है एकदम.
Okay. Now, the last market structure. Market structure 3. Market structure 3 मतलब sideways market. Sideways. Market is neither going up, market is neither going down. Means neither the buyers who are buying the stock, neither they are making money, nor who are selling the stock, they are making money. Bull equals to bear. You as a trader, आप as a trader, market structure 3 में sideways market मतलब आप as a trader कब पैसा कमा सकते, right? If you buy a stock ऊपर जाएगा, you are making money. If you short a stock नीचे जाएगा, you are making money. So market ना ही ऊपर जा रहा है ना ही नीचे, it's a boring market. Market sideways जा रहा है. You cannot make money. You cannot make money. Those Hindi films, boring dialogues, the market structure is like this. Boring dialogue in a Hindi film. Nothing interesting. So in a market structure, basically market structure 3 में क्या होता है? Sideways market or consolidated market. Consolidated market. Consolidated market. So how does market structure 3 looks like? It will look like this, that the market is making similar highs and similar low and going in a range. Market will make similar high and similar low. Similar high and similar low. So how can you actually trade in a market structure 3? When the market is sideways, the market sideways, market is in a consolidated pattern, how can you make money? You have to wait when it is breaking the pattern. Suppose यहाँ पे तोड़ दिया, here you can short sell. See, it was constantly making lows here. Now it broke the low. You can short sell here. Even better, you can wait for a retest. यहाँ पे तोड़ के आया, इस जोन को टेस्ट करके फिर से नीचे गया. Here you can short sell. This is even much more sure. This is how you can trade market structure 3. या फिर जब ऊपर गया, ऊपर तोड़ा, here you can buy. Or even better, if you wait for a retest. ऊपर गया, नीचे आया, इस लेवल को टच करके फिर से रेंज में नहीं घुस गया. It did not enter the range. It started going up. यहाँ पे you can buy. This is how you should trade market structure 3. Now let's look at a live example at market structure 3.
अरे मास्टर जी तो पूरा आईटीसी है.
पूरा ITC, correct, एकदम पूरा ITC. See, ITC for the last 2 years had been around 215, 220, 230. Boring. No one trades ITC. That is what market structure 3 is. Market structure 3 is boring. Stay away from market structure. Market structure 3 को देखा, sideways market बंद कर दो. अगर आपके वॉच लिस्ट में कोई स्टॉक नहीं है, लैपटॉप स्क्रीन बंद करके कहीं घूमने चले जाओ. Do not trade market structure 3. Nothing will happen. Your money will get stuck in a stock. You will neither your profit will get it, neither your stop loss will get it. What will happen? Your money will get stuck in a stock. कोई फायदा नहीं. See, this is market structure. See, this is market structure 3. See, the market is constantly going sideways. See, here market कितना सुंदर ऊपर गया. Anyone would have bought would have made profit. यहाँ पे market कितना सुंदर नीचे गया. Anyone would have sold made profit. But here the market is going sideways. जो खरीदा वो भी प्रॉफिट नहीं कमा सकता, जो बेचा वो भी प्रॉफिट नहीं कमा सकता. This is what happens at market structure 3, boring market. Now how you can trade? How you can trade this market structure 3? So how you can trade Euro USD? You can trade Euro USD if the stock broke here, you can short sell here, or you wait for a retest, ऊपर गया, इस लेवल को टच किया, फिर से नीचे गया. you can short Euro USD at this type of patterns, you will make money. और या फिर ये जो ऊपर जा रहा है ये कंटिन्यू होकर यहाँ पे तोड़ दिया यहाँ पे आप बेच दो, या फिर यू वेट फॉर अ रीटेस्ट, फिर जब ऊपर जाने लगा यहाँ पे आप बेच दो, सॉरी खरीद लो. This is how you can make money in market structure 1 and market structure 2 and market structure 3. So guys, समझ में आया market structure?
एकदम
सबको समझ में आया ना? Everyone is so silent. सबको समझ में आया?
Yes.
हाँ समझ में आया.
Okay, so यही पे this is today's session. Market structure is a very vast topic. बहुत market structure multiple time frame बहुत सारा topic है कि like you might see it is a multiple time frame में क्या होता है? And a shorter time frame. Suppose you are observing the market for 15 minutes. In 15 minutes you are seeing कि market is going down. But when you move to 1 hour, actually you are seeing कि market ऊपर जा रहा है, और ये जो 15 मिनट में जो नीचे जा रहा है, ऊपर क्या बोला, ऊपर जाएगा तो ये wave होकर फिर से ऊपर जाएगा. That 15 minutes is actually the wave, but actually the market is going down, and then 15 minutes is actually the wave. The market structure is a very vast topic. It's impossible to cover everything in this webinar. So आज का session यही पे खत्म होता है guys. Now if you guys have any question, ask me. Open your camera, open your mic, whatever you like, ask me. If you guys have any question. Guys, any question?
ना सर समझ गए सर, सब समझ गए.
Okay, फिर बहुत बढ़िया. In the group, okay, in the group I will send आज का जो recording है, recording I will upload after tomorrow, कल का after tomorrow's class, after tomorrow's session. And आज जो किया, it will be much more easier to you to revise, to memorize, to revise, to understand if you guys have a PDF. So I will send you the PDF today, tonight, or by tomorrow morning. So it will be much more clearer to you. And see you guys tomorrow. कल हम लोग 2 profitable trading strategies सीखेंगे, एकदम super profitable day trading strategy.
Can you send,
हाँ
sir, can you send the recording version? Some of the time I've left the meeting, so that's why. I
Yes,
missed something.
absolutely. I will send today's recording. I will send today's recording. Most probably after tomorrow's session. After tomorrow's session, I'll send today's recording. And
Okay.
and obviously join tomorrow, because today I told you the concept. Tomorrow I'll teach you strategies. Ekdam proper day trading strategies. I know everyone loves day trading. I'll teach you proper 2 day trading strategies tomorrow. So don't miss tomorrow's session, guys. Have a great day. Good night. And I hope आप
तो
सब
भाई पैसा छापेंगे हम, आप तो पैसा छापेंगे ट्रेडिंग करके.
all the best. छापो
It was
पैसा.
really nice actually.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
हाँ सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank
we
you
are
so much,
just a
sir.
startup. Okay, finance is just a startup, just 1.5 months old. So you guys reviews, you guys appreciation is what motivates us.
Yeah, for sure. I'll definitely give a review.
Thank you so
ऐसा
much.
ही चाहिए,
Thank
पढ़ाई
you.
तो ऐसा ही चाहिए ट्रेडिंग का.
ठीक है. चलो, see you guys tomorrow then. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.